Tom let Mary do that. Tom let Mary do that. Tom loved to do that. Tom loved to do that. Tom liked to do that. Tom liked to do that. Tom might do that now. Tom might do that now. I ordered Tom to do that. I ordered Tom to do that. Tom managed to do that. Tom managed to do that. Will Tom do that again? Will Tom do that again? Tell Tom who'll do that. Tell Tom who'll do that. Tom will do that tonight. Tom will do that tonight. Tom should do that tomorrow. Tom should do that tomorrow. Tom would do that differently. Tom would do that differently. Tom should definitely do that. Tom should definitely do that. Tom probably could do that. Tom probably could do that. I got Tom to do that. I got Tom to do that. Ask Tom how to do that. Ask Tom how to do that. Why did Tom not do that? Why did Tom not do that? Did Tom want to do that? Did Tom want to do that? Did you see Tom do that? Did you see Tom do that? Tom will do that for me. Tom will do that for me. Is Tom eager to do that? Is Tom eager to do that? Will Tom do that with us? Will Tom do that with us? Why did Tom do that here? Why did Tom do that here? Let's get Tom to do that. Let's get Tom to do that. Is Tom unable to do that? Is Tom unable to do that? Is Tom afraid to do that? Is Tom afraid to do that? I'm sure Tom can do that. I'm sure Tom can do that. I won't make Tom do that. I won't make Tom do that. I should let Tom do that. I should let Tom do that. I often help Tom do that. I often help Tom do that. I know Tom would do that. I know Tom would do that. I know Tom can't do that. I know Tom can't do that. I didn't let Tom do that. I didn't let Tom do that. I can't make Tom do that. I can't make Tom do that. Does Tom need to do that? Does Tom need to do that? Ask Tom if he'll do that. Ask Tom if he'll do that. Tom chose not to do that. Tom chose not to do that. They say Tom can do that. They say Tom can do that. I ordered Tom to do that. I ordered Tom to do that. I can't help Tom do that. I can't help Tom do that. Can Tom do that for Mary? Can Tom do that for Mary? Tom still may not do that. Tom still may not do that. Who does Tom do that with? Who does Tom do that with? Tell Tom to do that later. Tell Tom to do that later. Please ask Tom to do that. Please ask Tom to do that. I think Tom can't do that. I think Tom can't do that. I should help Tom do that. I should help Tom do that. I hoped Tom would do that. I hoped Tom would do that. I doubt Tom would do that. I doubt Tom would do that. Tom should try to do that. Tom should try to do that. Tom said he won't do that. Tom said he won't do that.